Hello, dear friend. I hope you are doing well today. We are going to talk about something very beautiful. It is gratitude and the present moment. There is a wise saying, gratitude is the power to respect the present. What does this mean? It means that when you are grateful, you can truly enjoy this moment. This is very important. Many people do not see the beauty of right now. They are always thinking about the past or the future. But gratitude brings you back to now. It helps you see the good things that are already here. Let's begin to explore this beautiful idea. 1. What is gratitude? Gratitude means saying thank you for the good things in your life. Here are some simple examples. You woke up this morning. You feel grateful for a new day. Someone smiled at you. You feel grateful for their kindness. The sun is shining. You feel grateful for the light and warmth. Gratitude is about noticing good things. It is about saying thank you to life. 2. What is the present? The present means right now, this very moment. The past is gone. You cannot go back to it. You cannot change it. It is only a memory. The future has not come yet. You cannot live in it now. It is only in your imagination. But this moment is real. You are living it right now. The present is the only time that truly exists. 3. How gratitude helps us respect the present. Gratitude gives us the power to respect the present moment. How does it do this? First, gratitude brings you to now. When you practice gratitude, you think about right now. You notice the good things in this moment. You think, right now, I am breathing. I am grateful. Right now, I am safe. I am grateful. Gratitude takes your mind away from the past. It takes your mind away from the future. It brings you to the present. Gratitude is like an anchor. It keeps you in the now. Second, gratitude helps you see what you have. When you are grateful, you start focusing on what you have. Without gratitude, people think, I do not have enough money. I do not have what other people have. My life is missing something. With gratitude, people think, I have a home. I have people who love me. I have so many good things. Gratitude opens your eyes. It helps you see the good things that are already in your life. When you see what you have, you respect it. This is how you respect the present. Third, gratitude stops complaining. Complaining is the opposite of gratitude. When you complain, you focus on what is wrong. You focus on problems. You focus on negative things. Complaining makes you reject the present moment. It makes you wish things were different. But gratitude helps you accept the present. You find something good even on a hard day. This is a powerful way to respect the present. Fourth, gratitude creates peace. When you are grateful, you feel peace inside. You stop fighting against what is happening. You accept the present moment. You relax. You feel calm. Peace only lives in the present moment. You cannot feel peace in the past. You cannot feel peace in the future. Peace only exists right now. Gratitude creates this peace. Fifth, gratitude helps you enjoy simple things. The present moment is full of simple, beautiful things. A cool breeze, the sound of rain, a child's laughing. These things are happening right now. They are gifts of the present moment. Gratitude helps you notice them. Gratitude helps you enjoy them. 4. The benefits of respecting the present. When you use gratitude to respect the present, wonderful things happen. First, you feel happier. Happiness only exists in the now. You cannot be happy in the past. That time is gone. You cannot be happy in the future. That time has not come. You can only be happy right now. When you appreciate this moment, you find happiness that is already here. Second, you feel less stress. Much of our stress comes from the past and the future. We feel sad about the past. We worry about the future. This creates stress. But when you focus on the present with gratitude, stress becomes smaller. You think, right now, I have what I need. I am grateful. This calms your mind. This calms your body. Third, you enjoy life more. Life is made of moments. Every moment is special. When you respect the present, you do not waste these moments. You enjoy them. You truly taste your food. You truly listen to people. You truly see the beauty around you. This makes life richer. This makes life more enjoyable. Every day becomes better. Fourth, your relationships get better. When you respect the present, you are truly with people. You are not thinking about the past. You are not planning the future. You are here, right now, with them. People feel this. They feel that you care. They feel important. This makes relationships stronger. Fifth, you feel more alive. The present moment is where life happens. When you respect it, you feel truly alive. You are not just existing. You are truly living. This is a wonderful feeling. 5. How to practice gratitude every day. First, notice small blessings. During the day, stop sometimes. Look around you. Notice small good things. Say thank you for them. Second, use your senses. Your senses only work in the present moment. You can only see right now. You can only hear right now. You can only feel right now. So use your senses to connect with the present. What do you see right now? What do you hear right now? What do you feel right now? Be grateful for these things. Be grateful for your ability to sense these things. This brings you into the present moment. Third, stop and breathe. Several times a day, just stop. Take a slow, deep breath. Notice your breath. Be grateful for it. Think, right now, I am breathing. I am alive. I am grateful. This simple practice brings you powerfully into the present. Fourth, accept this moment. The present moment is what it is. Sometimes it is easy. Sometimes it is hard. Gratitude helps you accept the present moment. You think, this is how things are right now, and even in this moment, I can find something to be grateful for. This is deep respect for the present moment. 6. Conclusion. Gratitude truly is the power to respect the present. When you practice gratitude, you bring your attention to now. The present moment is a gift. That is why we call it the present. It is a precious gift. Use gratitude to respect it. When you do this, you will see something beautiful. It will change your life. I am grateful that you spent this time with me. I am grateful for this moment we shared together. Now go and practice gratitude. Respect the present. Live fully in now. May your life be full of gratitude and peace. Goodbye, and see you next time. If this video helped you, please subscribe and never miss a lesson that could change your life.